as we have been discussing Google Sheets in the same sequence of the Google Sheets commands and scenario, today I am going to discuss uh, other string functions like concatenate, join, find, split, and Textjoin. So these functions are very important and very useful as far as string manipulation is concerned. So let's move to our Google Sheet. There we'll see how to do this. So this is my Google Sheet, and over here the first function which I am going to take is concatenate. So what I am going to do here, I am going to concatenate two strings, maybe A10 and B10, and I'll concatenate these two words using uh, the special character. Let's see. Concatenate A10 comma asterisk and then B10 and press enter. So if you see as soon as I press enter, both these strings means A10 and B10 are joined together, but the joining string, it is joined using one asterisk sign. So these two strings with one asterisk sign concatenates two strings and makes this the single string. So if I copy from this cell, means C10 to till end, or C14, just I'm going to drag down towards C14. So here this way we can concatenate. Now we are going to join two strings. So two strings could be joined together using the character which you want between. Means when you join these strings with some character, means that character will be inserted between these strings. For example, say I apply say join, and string 1 is A10. The first I have to mention the delimiter by which I want to separate these strings. So I'm going to take say equal sign, rather hyphen, comma A10 and B10. So A10 to B10, so this is the array, so that these A10 and B10 are joined together, but the hyphen which we have taken as delimiter is inserted between these two strings. So as soon as I press enter, so the word is joined along with the hyphen sign. So the hyphen is inserted between two words or the strings whichever we have joined together. Now the next function is find function, which means if you want to and suppose I want to replace this hyphen with some other character, then what happens? Suppose simply I give the space, then these two strings will be joined together, but space is inserted between the words. This way. Now the next function which I wanted to tell you about is find. What does find do? Find basically finds the string within the string and returns the index number. Means on what index does this string exist or located. So suppose I want to search the character T in A10. So what should be the index of T in the value A10 or A10 cell value? Fine. And I want to search T in simply A10. Bracket closed. Enter. So it gives me 4. Drag down towards the end. So it gives the index of T in every string from A10 to A14. Okay. Now the next character is function is split. And what does split do? Split means this string which you want to break down into multiple strings. So there should be some delimiter from which you want to split the string. So over here I am going to split the value of C10 where the word Amit Kumar, where the asterisk sign is inserted between these two words Amit and Kumar. So I am going to split that Amit Kumar from asterisk symbol, comma, asterisk, and close and press enter. Okay, so that way the entire string is divided or split into two, that is Amit in one cell and Kumar is another cell. So drag down towards F14. Then I'll take substitute. Substitute. Here I want to replace the character, existing character, with some other character. Okay. So text to search is the value of C10, and here I am going to search the asterisk sign. I want to replace or substitute this asterisk character with the space character. So see here, comma, space, bracket close and press enter. So see here, the word Amit asterisk Kumar, now the word is Amit Kumar as the asterisk sign is substituted by a space sign. So when you drag down, so it will look like this. Okay, so the asterisk sign between the words which are basically names, and names are separated by the asterisk sign, but here the asterisk sign is substituted by space. Now what I am going to do here, I am going to join the text. So see here, equal text join, then I'll have to mention the delimiter. And what I want to join the words with the delimiter, say comma or hashtag. Suppose I am taking hashtag here, comma, true or false to ignore, empty, comma, number of cells. So I have taken C10, then E10, then D10, and close the parenthesis and press enter. So this gives the amazing result like Amit Kumar hashtag for hashtag, then Amit space Kumar. And if I drag down towards I14, it gives me this sort of result. So here, this is the way how I can use the string functions. So these string functions are very important as far as manipulation of the string is concerned. How do you like it? If you like this video, kindly drop a comment in the description box, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, and press the bell icon also, so that as and when new video is created, you get the notification. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.